We've all had that not so great experience with the contractor, right? Perhaps you gave them a call and they didn't call you back, or maybe you even hired them to do some work and they left your home a mess when they were done. As the full-service window replacement division of Andersen, we've removed the middleman from the equation. We have more than 23,000 customers here in Arizona, and one thing we hear a lot is how much they appreciate that we handle every phase of their project, from sales and manufacturing to the installation and warranty. If you have any issues or concerns, simply call us and we'll address it. Our certified master installers are hand-selected and trained by Renewal by Andersen. They're all talented craftsmen with years of experience, and they're experts at custom installs. Our installers are so good that most of our installs are completed in just one day, so your home is exposed for a minimum amount of time and you'll be protected from the heat. A lot of windows are stock size windows. We've all seen them before, typically for sale in your neighborhood big box stores. Stock size means close, but not exact, which many times means you'll have to alter the home to make the window fit. All of Renewal by Andersen's windows are custom built. That means your windows are manufactured to precisely fit your specific window opening, and there are a lot of benefits to a custom built window. For starters, because a custom built window fits your opening perfectly, it's a tighter fit. That means no dust or dirt will be able to enter your home, and a better fit means your home will be more energy efficient. I'm not only an employee of Renewal by Andersen, but I'm a customer too. In addition to my Renewal by Andersen windows, I also have 2 gliding Andersen patio doors. It's our engineering that differentiates us from the competition. Many folks have gliding patio doors that are constantly sticking in the track, and they have to give them a good pull or a shove to open and close them. Our patio doors are engineered with dual ball bearing rollers and a self-contained leveling adjuster to ensure the door opens and closes easily for years, even in our heat. Like our windows, our patio doors are available in a variety of colors. You can also select your hardware and grill patterns. As you can see here, I've chosen dark bronze interior and exterior for my patio doors, and I've also selected Amber's oil rub bronze for my hardware. And our reach-out locking system on our sliding doors allows for maximum weather tightness and enhanced security. Here we have another Andersen exclusive. It's our True Scene screens. We have these in every window in our home. It's made with a fine stainless steel mesh that's highly transparent and very durable. As you can see, it gives a much clearer view to my outdoors, 50% more clarity than a standard screen. As a result, we get a lot more natural light into our home. Renewal by Andersen has declared September National Replacement Window Month, and we have a fantastic deal. Now through September 30th, get $270 off every window and get $780 off every entry door and every patio door. With 0 money down, 0 payments, and 0 interest for a full year. Plus, get an extra 5% off your entire order. Call 480-877-1300 now or visit myazwindow.com to schedule your free, no obligation appointment.